In this video, we'll demonstrate how to get a full-screen internet browser on the PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to get a full-screen internet browser on the PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. To get a full-screen internet browser on your PS5, follow these steps. Press the PlayStation button and navigate to the game base. Access the Messages section and type in the web address directly or add it as a message. Open the website. However, the browser might not display the site in full screen initially, leaving lines on the sides. To enable full-screen browsing, return to the home screen by pressing the PlayStation button, then go to Settings. Navigate to Accessibility, then Display and Sound. Go to Zoom and ensure that Enable Zoom is turned on. Press the PlayStation button and the square button simultaneously to zoom in. You can continue to zoom in by repeating this step. Use the right thumbstick to move around the zoomed-in page. Return to the browser from the game base and repeat the process of zooming in, PlayStation button plus square button, to achieve a full-screen view. Now, you'll have a full-screen internet browsing experience on your PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnetguide.com.